So this is a perfect time to test out this GRITR gear. GRITR sent me their titanium grill set. And what we're going to do is we're going to just set that over, and then we're going to make some char cloth. And this is just a perfect time for me to test this stuff. Let's go ahead, pull this off for just a second. It's warm. So we're going to set this up. We're just going to set this bad boy over the fire best we can. And we're going to set this, boom, over the top of that. And that way, haha, that can lick and do all that. See, that's what a good grill set will do. It just kind of adds more to it. This is made out of titanium. It also comes with hooks that you can hook it up and do kind of like a tripod with it. But we're going to use this, see how she does, and we'll make some char cloth. Again, thank you to GRITR Gear for sending this stuff out. They also sent a titanium water bottle that has been super tough, really abused it. But we're going to test this stuff out, and we'll go from there. All right. So it is raining, and we have been basically cooking our char cloth for a little bit. It's raining, but we still have this going on. It's still keeping it warmed up. And man, this GRITR gear has done absolutely perfect. I had no worries or issues about it, and it's done great. And it's done what it's supposed to do, which is keep your stuff over the fire. And you know, I was thinking to myself, how am I going to cook this char cloth with, you know, get it in the fire and make sure it's done right? And I was like, I have this thing that GRITR Gear sent me, and guys, for the weight, it's pretty awesome. I don't know the price on it. I think it's 50-60 bucks, but man, I've seen some stainless steel ones, and this one's just as rock solid. So I'm so grateful for them, and we're going to check out the char cloth here in a little bit. All right, again, we want to thank GRITR Gear for sending out the products to test and review. They sent that grill, and so far so good. So all right, so what we're going to do, we're back inside the house because it was raining. What we're going to do is we're going to check and see the char cloth, and that's exactly what we want. This stuff right here. So this stuff right here is char cloth, okay? So it's very close to, it's burnt up stuff, but it's not ash. All right, so what you want to do with char cloth is you want to take, you know, a flint and steel kit such as this, and this is a steel James Gibson gave me, and I'm going to take a piece of char cloth, this one right here, and I'm going to put it on top and make a big mess in my wife's kitchen. But I'm going to put it on top of the rock, and then what I'm going to do is basically try not to destroy the char cloth, but try to, there we go. Is that right there? See that? That will catch, and it'll sit there and smolder and burn, and then you can put this into a tinder bundle and blow it into flame. Watch this. See how that goes? That's what you can definitely do with char cloth material. So just a thing before I burn my hand. But that is why char cloth is pretty awesome. So I'm going to practice several methods. You know, you saw that. I want to practice using the back of my knife, all that stuff. So stay with me. We're going to practice these skills and getting ready for the intermediate practice. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Again, thank you to GRITR Gear who sent some gear for the video. Really check out their channel. I'll post a link in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Tcarp signing out.